Hi, my name is Marie and welcome to my YouTube channel, Marilette's World. On this video, I'm going to show you how I make a DIY disinfectant spray. If you can't find a disinfectant spray at your store, like this Lysol spray, you can make your own. You just need a concentrated disinfectant liquid, an empty spray bottle, warm water, a medium-sized cup, and a small measuring container. I have a shot glass right here, small spoon, and paper towel. Okay, we're just going to mix 1 part of this concentrated Lysol liquid to 5 parts of warm water. Here's the 1 part of the concentrated liquid, and then we're going to add 5 parts of warm water. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's just stir this a little bit, and we'll just pour it in our spray bottle. Oh, spills. We have spills. That's what we need a paper towel for. So here's your disinfectant spray. Now this is a simple process. But if you want your spray bottle to dispense a fine mist similar to how a Lysol canister does, you can check out different types of bottle spray. This is your Lysol regular spray. And this is the Lysol aerosol spray. Now this one is a Febreze product dispenser. It sprays in a fine mist similar to the Lysol can. This one is a bottle from Dawn foaming dish spray. I tried using this spray bottle also. It sprays, but it's not a very fine mist. So the only spray that can dispense a fine mist like the Lysol can is the bottle from the Febreze product. So this dispenser mechanism, it says it's designed in Holland, and it's called Lysol. It's effective in dispensing the disinfectant liquid in a fine mist like the Lysol. This can is empty now. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and click the thumbs up button. Please subscribe to my channel and watch out for my other videos. Have a great day and stay safe.